If you're looking to get something started on Amazon, you're based in Australia or New Zealand, guys, then join us at one of our 2-day workshops where we are actually going to be doing stuff in the room. You might be wondering, why am I standing outside the Amazon warehouse? Well, I'm very practical, and the way I teach is also very practical, right? You bring your laptop to these trainings. We find new products in the room while we are at this 2-day training. We find suppliers in the room while we are actually at the 2-day training. And also, we build listings. If you're at that stage already, you will learn how to build your listing on Amazon as well, okay? So we go into a lot of the specifics to researching products, finding new niches, right? Jumping on new industries, new topics, and then finding suppliers for those products. And it's a very practical training. And this is the reason why we stand out is you bring your laptop to the training. You don't just take notes and go home and do nothing. We actually do stuff, implement stuff in the room. So I would love to see you at our 2-day workshop. Below this video, there's links where you can find out more information on what these trainings are going, what we teach in these trainings. And also we do them pretty much every 2-3 months. So I would love to see you at the next training. These are very small workshops so that you don't have 4,000 people in the room. You don't even have 100 people, usually not even more than 100 people in the room. A lot of it's like 50 people, 50, 60 people in the room. It's very small, very boutique, and very personal, okay? So if you have questions, about products or something's not working, I'm there walking around helping you out and answering your questions. So I'd love to see you there, guys. Give us a call in the office if you have any questions or want to find out the next training date. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.